I love it. I'm telling you, I love it. Tastes good. It tastes good. Sometimes you know when I eat, I have to do so. The food nice. Yeah. The food nice. Wow. I can't stop eat. I can't stop eat. Me again. It's me again. Rinse this plate. Yes. I'm here with my coconut. And guess what? I am cooking turned cornmeal. Or when them say Jamaica turned cornmeal. That's what I'm gonna do. So I have 2 cups of turned cornmeal here. I have some seasoning here I'm gonna make with it. This is some thyme, scallion, and some pepper and scallion, onion, chopped here. And I have, this is some sugar, okay? And here is some garlic powder and onion powder, okay, with a pinch of salt, okay? With some coconut milk, okay? I'm gonna put it in the blender and get out the milk. And you see, stay tuned, okay? Put it small to put in the blender, you know? Coconut milk, and this is around 4 cups of coconut milk. Yeah. This is my coconut milk, and I'm gonna season my coconut milk. I'm gonna put all my seasoning here in it. Let it boil with it. Good. And I'm gonna put 1 tablespoonful of sugar and salt and onion powder and garlic powder here. Okay. Boil for a while. Alright, after it come to a boil, then I add the cornmeal. Okay, so this is it was boiling too much and I threw it off. I'm just gonna put my cornmeal on top. Remember guys, this is my turned cornmeal. Okay, it out on the top like this. Just cut a hole here. Yeah. Do it. Let me stir it up a little now. I just turn this stove down. Looking so good, right? Not dry. Just make it cook a little bit more. I'm just gonna cover it. Okay, and let it sit there. Give it 10 more minutes on the fire. My turned cornmeal or turned cornmeal look good. And I know it tastes good. See it? It's not dry. It have juice. And with my callaloo. Sometimes you know when you eat, you have to do so. The food nice. Yeah. The food nice. Wow. I can't stop eat. I can't stop eat.